Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, Tacoma owners. In this video, I will explain how to reset your tire pressure monitoring system light. This is a common task, and it's important for your vehicle's safety. First, you need to ensure all 4 of your tires, including the spare if applicable, are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this specific pressure, usually around 30 to 35 psi, on the tire placard located on your driver's side door jamb. This initial step is crucial for a successful reset. Once your tire pressures are correctly set, the next step is to prepare your vehicle for the reset. Turn your Tacoma's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. If you have a push-button start, press the button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Now, locate the small TPMS reset button. This button is usually found under the dashboard, often to the left of the steering column or near the driver's side kick panel. Consult your owner's manual if you have trouble finding it. With the ignition on and the button located, it's time to initiate the reset sequence. Press and hold the TPMS reset button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. Keep holding it until you observe the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard blink 3 distinct times. This blinking indicates that the system has acknowledged your reset command. Once it blinks 3 times, you can release the button. This action tells your Tacoma's system to begin the relearning process for your tire sensors. The final step to complete the reset is to drive your vehicle. Start your Tacoma and drive it at a speed consistently above 25 miles per hour. You'll need to maintain this speed for at least 10 to 20 minutes. This driving period allows the tire pressure monitoring system to relearn the new sensor values and confirm that all tires are at their correct pressure. After this drive, the tire pressure warning light should turn off, indicating a successful reset. If it remains on, recheck your tire pressures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.